Hello everybody, let's glue book and my random item glue book. Here I'm showing some of my older spring layouts and we're going to, like I didn't show very many, huh? We're going to start. I was ready, y'all. I really was ready to now glue book spring, and I'm not using this distress ink in the way that Tim wants me to, but you know, I just wanted to lay some color down. But it's probably going to get covered up, but at least, you know, just give me a place to break the page and just to begin. So I had my scissors, my glue, and my things that I want to glue down. This is going to be a random item glue book session. It's not my magazine only. This is where I grab from anywhere and everywhere. I haven't done that in a while. I need to get back to it. I love doing it. I love glue. Oh, you see, I pulled out a tissue box, and but this time I'm not going to use it as I usually do. You'll see how I use it as I go on. But this is a tissue box. Like I said, I'm using anything and everything to show up in this my random item glue book session this time. I'm just ready for spring, y'all. Are you ready for spring? This has been a brutal winter. So I just decided to glue book spring this time. And I pulled out these floral stickers that I've had for a long while as well. I use my glue book when I'm not glue booking as a folder. Sometimes I'll find things and then I'll put them in my book. You know, say, oh, that would be a good thing for my mini glue book, and I'll add them. That's what y'all saw back there. And I can't find my images from last year, but I did find these magazines, so I was glad to at least find that. So I was to have things to glue book because I have images from last year that I harvested, and I don't know where they are. I organized them. I put them in a bag and then put them in an iris case. I don't know where they are. I don't know where they are. Probably buried underneath something, and then I'll find it right when spring ends or when summer ends and it's fall, and then I'll find them. Like I did the autumn ones when I found all that iris case full of um, autumn scraps and uh, pattern paper. I was disappointed when that happened. Anyway, I am just so ready for spring. I am ready to sit down with my coffee and go watch a leaf blow. Hear the birds sing. I am so ready. I am so ready. The thing I'm not ready for is to I'm not ready for the deer. I don't get it. Why they're just running through our neighborhood like it is. So, you know, deers are cute and everything, but cute in its place, not running through our neighborhood because they carry disease. So if you know of any way to keep them from around your house and stuff like that, let me know down below in the comments because it's really distressing me because today there was seven deer coming from my neighbor's yard. And it's cold, it's freezing out there and it's snowing, and so I don't get why they're just walking like that. They drop disease. Cause I remember, cause they have ticks that carry diseases. Lyme disease. That's what it's called. Lyme disease. There was a girl when I was in college. She got Lyme disease, and she was out for a semester. It took her 6 months to recover from that. Mm. So you gotta watch. They're cute and all, but not. I don't think they could say deer. The deers are in packs like wolves, but this little family is just like they were walking to school, walking there to school. I was like, good grief, how many? I counted seven. I couldn't get a camera together fast enough to catch it. But yeah, they're cute in their place. But mm. And then remember when there was one year they said it was some zombie disease. You had to watch it if they looked at you and they didn't run and because they were diseased. Oh gosh. That paper is from, normally I would put it in a journal. But I decided to put it in this book. It's my painted papers. I will be journaling uh, in here. So this is a combination of blue books and journaling. I really have fun. Like I said, I am so ready. You know, when I had an ode to fall, and I'll link that if I can remember. I showed the paper because I had a fall was just, oh, it was so pretty. But this is goodbye winter and hello spring. So it's only nice when you can sit and look at it and stuff. When you have to travel through it, it is not nice. It's dangerous. I know it is. Snow is pretty when you can sit with your hot cocoa, which I have not had all season. I keep saying I'm going to make a this coffee and cocoa, hot cocoa together, and I haven't done it. I haven't had hot cocoa all season. Am I late, y'all? It's still February 26th, but it's late. It's February. It's February 26th when I'm editing this. I filmed it, I think, when I filmed the flip through. Oh, now that's from a project, and I plop it down. Does it go? Probably not, but it's going down there. Sometimes it does. Sometimes. Oh, this was a longer video, and I cut it down. Yeah, this is not a harvest. I found myself harvesting while I glued this time. But it's a mixture. It's a hybrid of both of my magazine only where when I harvest at the same time. I harvest the images because like I said, I couldn't find them. Yeah, my kale. I do like kale. I was pointing to the kale. But I'm harvesting, gluing, and random items all in one video. Yay! And I'm managing to talk through the whole thing. Almost. I may stop and then play music like we do. I know how I do. I always cut it down and then I talk and I try to talk for the whole thing, but the whole video. But sometimes I don't have anything to say. Then sometimes I'm too goofy and I have too much to say. Never know what you're going to get in a Micki's Arts and Crafts video. I don't think I lay that down. I think that doesn't go. I said, okay, even for me, that doesn't go, you know. But I like the images, and hopefully I'll be able to play with it later. I really like that. That's almost giving a little bit of summer vibe. I don't think it makes it in my glue. Look, I was getting ready to lift up. Now, y'all know me. I'll pull the paper right on up and replace it. Oh, I tuck it in for later. See, I store things in my... I don't think any of that makes it in. Except for that files make it. This was a box of ephemera from Tuesday morning, y'all. And I did go back to see if they had more, and they didn't. You know, in different, this was like ephemera. I think it said spring. I don't know. But I was really happy when I found it. I didn't go to Tuesday morning. I went to Tuesday morning often, quite often. That was always on my rotations, Tuesday morning. But Joann's wasn't. But I was glad to find that. So, and I can't wait to get through that box because that box is cute. It's nice. It would be nice cut up and put in a glue book. Ooh, go ahead, have a snack. Healthy ways to hibernate. Yeah, I think this is an older book. I think this was from 2021. I was glad to find it because I wouldn't have had any images. Like I say, these you can find them in a pack, in a 3-pack. it's a great value because I remember when I first started getting them, they were $9 for three, so that makes them $3 a piece. Now, yes, the price has gone up to 12, but $4 a piece for a magazine that you could use from season to season to season. It's not bad. You squawk when you get it, but you appreciate it as you go on. You know, you get a lot out of the magazine. I really need to find that. It's really bothering me. The where are my spring cutouts from last year and the year prior? Now I do have a bag next to me that I'm going to keep, so I'm not going to lose. I'm not putting that anywhere. I'm going to keep it for the season, so I don't have to look. But ooh, I don't want to get tired of looking through the same things. Mm. I've used the that's not a touch spot. It's the ah I'm drawing the blank. But there's the tissue box. You want to decorate it and use it to journal on. No, I'm getting carried away. It's too much from the same place. Put it down. Put it down, lady. Put it down. Oh, but then it was a frame. And y'all know me. I love the frame and border. You're new to this channel. You will hear me over the... That's something I uh, said quite often. I love the frame and border. I've always framed and border. I love my frames and border. I was glad to find that. It is to put in. Because usually I'm either stress inking the borders or I'm putting washi or I'm framing something. I like to do that. Oh, I have found this little envelope full of this and that. Oh, and I'm pointing to, because that was way back when I did these cards and I had the little girl on it. And I can't believe I didn't use it since then. That's what I'm saying. We have so many things. We have so many. As crafters, we have so much. I couldn't believe, but I was happy now that this time it worked out. This was free kind of thing. And I had just turned around, and it's usually where my journal stuff is. And I pulled it out and saw that all at Maggie Holmes, and really happy to find it. Lady, leave that alone. There's too matchy. Put that up. Put it up, lady. No, beautiful spring, yes, but we don't need that there. Yeah, put him there. Well, I'm about to wrap it up. I have one more minute, I think, to go. Because I want to get out your way. You know, not take up too much of your time. It took long. It took about an hour to put this. I think I had to stop. I think the camera cut off and I had to restart it. Because it records for a half hour and then. But, so it's wrapping up. And if you've made it this far, I'm going to show you the completed layout at the end. I cut that piece down to fit in the frame. I'm so happy to find the frame. Well, we're about to wrap this up. I will show you how I journaled inside the tissue box. Piece of the tissue box and how I lightly decorated. So like I said, this is the hybrid of glue book and journaling. My oldest spring. No, it's not my oldest spring, but I'm just glad. So if you've made it this far, I'm getting ready to show you the completed layout. Uh, Let me know that you stopped by. If you have nothing to say, by giving me the wave emoji or the glue book emoji, scissor emoji, or even the bee or and the birdie for spray. So, like again, I like to thank you for watching. There's where I journaled in the flip out. I'm going to journal up top where it says something. I forgot, it's 6 things, but I'm gonna do that in private that I want for spring. And I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching again. Bye.